We're here to celebrate space. My goodness, we're here to celebrate the science that it takes to go to space and the science we learned from space. We now live in a world where a scientist can propose an experiment that can be done in space and then go do it.
Well, without federal funding, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be able to make the discoveries that we are making. It is important not only for national security, as I said, but also it is important for prosperity of the nation.
We need help, we need support, and otherwise it's just an idea. And so without the funding, we can't ever bring the idea to life. And without the funding, we can't make the world a better place, which always happens because of science.
If we want to keep our competitive edge, we cannot lose that funding.
Not just to build the infrastructure, but to build the next generation of researchers, which are going to take some of these ideas and materialize it.
The idea that the universe was this unbelievably dynamic, incredible, vast, changing cosmos completely rewired my brain as a kid, and that is directly the result of federal investment in space science.
I am the lead of the largest program that was accepted to use the James Webb Space Telescope after it launched. This telescope and all of the amazing science we've learned from it would not have been possible without significant federal investment.
Start small, right, with these small grants, these small federal grants, and then it gets bigger and bigger and bigger until you get to these big missions. And without those small grants, you don't have a base to stand on.
Being able to study space actually has a lot bigger, broader applications and implications that many people don't actually understand.
Thank you to everyone who showed up here to celebrate the science of space. As a nerd, I cannot tell you how much that warms my heart. So thank you for showing up here.
The impact goes a lot farther than what you might see immediately. That in doing this, you are not only pushing forward the edges of research and capability in science, but you are also creating and inspiring and educating a generation of people who will believe that the impossible is actually possible and that we can do the unlikely things like putting human boots on the surface of the moon or Mars.